said is, he said the ark must be restored to its rightful place. You can't come to the tabernacle and worship if the ark is absent.
My God.
See what we have in the church, and there's a whole set of folks coming and worshiping, and there's no ark.
Jesus.
There's no ark. So what God is looking for today is for some men and women who, in the midst of all the forms that they're seeing around today, who would dare to say, we're going to build a tabernacle.
Yes.
And we are going to restore the ark to its rightful place. What is God concerned about? I know this may shock some people. God is concerned about preaching.
That's right. True that.
God is not impressed in tools by preaching like we are.
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, we preach too much because we don't worship enough.
That's right.
It's true. Worship.
I grew up, I have been around the Christian church for the last probably 30 years or so. I've been preaching for the last 25 years of my life. And you know what's so amazing? Is that I have sat in church over and over again, man of God. And I've heard people say in church, they would drag a worship session through. And then they would say, we have come to the most important part. Most of you grew up in a time like that. We've come to the most important part of the service, which is the word of God. That's not true.
Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Hey.
Hey, this. If you don't believe in anything else tonight, I want you to receive this. You're never ready for word till you worship.
That's right. That's right. I see it happen.
Worship is the plow that turns the soil of your heart.
I experience it.
Because we preaching to folks who can't receive word because they ain't worship yet. You see, when you have worshiped God, then you're ready for word.
Yes.
Watch this. So we sit in the house of God, and we don't understand that the whole intent for why God created man was simply to worship.
Yes.
Well, does it concern you that God comes back and he says in the last days, he said, what I am going to do is that I am going to restore the tabernacle of David. I'm going to build up the ruins and I'm going to stop the preacher. In other words, what he said, in the last days, what I want to come forth is that which belongs to me. Worship.
Yes. That is so true. Jesus. God.
Worship is a consuming desire to give, and it involves the giving of our heart's attitude, and our possessions. Watch this. Worship is a lifestyle.
That's right. That's right. True that.
Every part of you, every function of you is supposed to worship God.
Mm-hmm.
Your parenting is supposed to worship God.
Amen.
Your marriage is supposed to worship God.